morning everyone. Finally made my way to Snowdon. I am walking up Watkin's path. I was gonna do the creep go, but the weather is just raining. I camped next to the Snowdon and it was raining all night, so I made a decision not to do the creep go and do the Watkin's path instead. And yeah, sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys on top. Snowdon is in the fog. Unfortunately, it doesn't matter. I'm still gonna get that summit. Look at these waterfalls. Wow. Rain just don't stop. From the time I started, it just keeps raining and raining and raining. Makes it just a bit more challenging. Oh yeah. Nearly there. Never stopped raining. I'm hoping some of this fog is gonna move away so I can actually film from the top of the Snowdon. Hope this fog is gonna clear up a bit, at least. I'm nearly on top. Unbelievably calm at the moment. Slightly a little bit of wind, a lot of rain of course, but I'm very close. Very close. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow. Watkin. There's a little bit more to go, all the way up there. Whew. Right, Jesus. I'm gonna have to change to head mount because I need my both hands to climb up this. That's it. Whew, there I am. I think I'm on top of the summit. I hope it's just the last few steps. I'm knacked. Jesus, that scramble was something. was close. So here I am at the end of the Watkins path. Finally got Snowdon ticked off. Unfortunately it was raining and very foggy on top, so no use, but still got the summit behind my belt. Very pleased. Took me about over 6 hours altogether, which is not too bad considering I'm a newbie, and I took a wrong path which had to do a lot of scrambling as well. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.